Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I post DIY, lifestyle, and shop with me videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. This week we are checking out what's new for fall and Halloween at HomeGoods. HomeGoods is one of my favorite places to shop for home stuff, and they never disappoint with fall and Halloween decor. Before we get started, if you're not doing so already, please head over to my Instagram and check me out. My tag is at HelloKristenTV. I am always taking you along on my shopping adventures, showing you in real time what's new at all of the stores, and I always post my home decor and DIY projects on my Instagram stories, so make sure you head over there and check those out. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to see how I decorated my apartment for fall. Without further ado, let's get started. Question of the day: are you more of an apple candle person or a pumpkin candle person? Let me know in the comments below. Guys, I love Sand and Fog. Their stuff is like a soy wax blend, and most of their stuff is made with like essential oils, and when you breathe it in, it doesn't hurt your brain. Like, I've been smelling all of these candles and you could just tell that they're really, really bad for you, but for some reason whenever I smell the Sand and Fog ones, they don't smell like they could kill you. Oh, this one's cool. It's like nice material and it's super black and the skeletons really pop on it. Is this a fall llama? This is a fall llama. This is a llama wearing a scarf surrounded by fall leaves, and honestly, it's everything. This pumpkin blanket. This is an interesting color for fall. A little black skeleton mug. It is $3.99 and it is so awesome. Oh my god, I want it so bad. These plates are amazing. Look at this. How cool is that? It's so artistic, but like also Halloweenish. If I had room to store all of like this Halloween stuff when it's not Halloween, I would absolutely buy all of it. Look at how cool all this stuff is. my god, is this a yoga posing skeleton? Because that is a mood. That is so hilarious. I freaking love that. Living room, and I am so excited. It is so cute for the fall. It was so easy to just completely transform it with 3 pops of color. So I added this wreath up here. My mom actually makes me a wreath for each of the seasons, and I just have it hung up there with a little suction cup. I got these pillows I actually always have out, and they're from, the pillowcases are from Wish, the pattern ones, and I'll leave a link in the description below to those. They were only $1.99 each, and I absolutely love them. I got the fluffy ones from Ross, I think, and then I got this blanket from Marshall's. It was only $19.99, and it's kind of like textured and fluffy. Blankets are such a great, easy way to just spruce up a place. It brings a huge pop of color, and I can easily store that like under my bed in a vacuum sealed tight bag that'll go really flat. And then over here I have my little table piece. I got this little wicker tray from HomeGoods, and I have it out year round, and I just change what I keep on top of it. I moved this cotton slash vase piece from my dining room table over to here, and it looks really great, and it makes it feel like a new piece, just moving it from one area of the house to another. I got this little pumpkin at Trader Joe's. Look at how cute, he's so perfect. And then I got this Jack skeleton. You can actually put a tea light in here and it'll glow, and I actually got this in Disneyland. So I love this. So it's so fall and like neutral and pretty, but it still has a little bit of a cute Halloween element without it being like scary Halloween. I also have this Hello Fall pumpkin. I need a few other things to go on this table. It's not finished yet, but I love this Hello Fall pumpkin. It is my favorite. It was only like $6.99 from Marshall's. And then over here I added this little Hello Fall sign. This was from Target, and it was only like $2.99 or $3.99. And then I changed out the candle and added a spiced pumpkin one. This smells so good. This was from TJ Maxx, I believe, and I love that it brings a little pop of orange. And then all I did was change out the decor in this cube and added this super cute silver pumpkin. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Until next time.